Sanjay ji.
Sir, I want one more question. And I did not write for the lower back and middle back, and I did not write the color for that. Can you please once more?
Okay, let me share with you. Okay, so don't worry. I'm going to come to that. अभी मैं आपको बताऊंगा, लेकिन I want to share with you. If you want to reduce the back pain, that's a lower back pain and middle pain. So let me take you to the chart. Let me take you to the chart first, and then you would be able to get that exactly. So yesterday we have covered up a couple of things in relation to that. Okay, let me just take back this chart. आपको can you see this screen? Yes.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, let me go back to the chart. That's called this holoendocrine system. Okay, now can you see this chart? This is called body organs.
Yeah.
And the left hand, this finger, which is ring finger, the lower back, middle back, and cervical.
Lower back.
Okay. Now what happens is that when there is a pain on lumbosacral region, अब सबसे कमर के नीचे दर्द है या टेल बोन का पेन है, तो यहाँ पे कलर अप्लाई करेंगे लाइट ब्लू एंड रेड हियर.
कहाँ पे है? एरो नहीं जा रहा ऊपर.
ओके, आप म्यूट कर दें जो और बोल रहा कोई. एंड अगर लोअर बैक मिडिल बैक में पेन है तो यहाँ पे आप अप्लाई करेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड पे लाइट ब्लू एंड ऑरेंज, लाइट ब्लू एंड रेड. एंड अगर सर्वाइकल का पेन है तो यू विल अप्लाई कलर हियर light blue and red. Okay.
Once more, sir.
Yeah. Okay. I'm showing you this finger. So now this is the finger, left ring finger.
Yeah.
If there is a lower back pain, अगर कमर के नीचे का दर्द है तो यहाँ पे अप्लाई करोगे आप. You will apply color light blue and red.
Light blue and red. Okay, sir.
Correct. When there is a pain on the middle back, you will apply color here light blue and red.
Light blue and red. Okay.
And if the pain on the cervical, you will apply color on the top of this.
Yeah. Which color?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Wonderful.